how to change footer in Elementor. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is log into my Elementor account, and I'll open up the WordPress dashboard. Now, once we have Elementor open in the dashboard here, we'll hover over Elementor. No, actually over templates, and here we will go to theme builder. Now this will load up the theme builder for Elementor, and the first thing that I'll do is I'll add a new footer here. So I'll show you how we can make changes to this. For example, let's insert this one, and it's going to ask us for the blocks here, and it's going to look like this. Now, if we want to make changes to this, we'll just click on edit section here, and we can change the height. So as you can see, we can change this to be smaller. We can also change all of these individual spots here for images. So we can choose other images here that we want to add. And we can also customize the text here as well. So all of these different sections that we have in our footer, we can customize these. And that's basically how you change the footer on your Elementor website. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.